We have a storm chaser that we're working with, Gabe Cox, on the phone. Do we have that phoner available with Gabe right now?
Hey, David.
Gabe, hey, man, it's been a while. Good to have you here. I hope you're staying safe out there. Tell us where you are and what you're seeing. Are you on these tornadoes near Streeter in La Salle County?
Yes, David, I'm just to the northeast of Streeter. I just watched a tornado to my left rope out. It was the third tornado of this outbreak. I've got a tornado to my southeast that is developing. I'm trying to turn on this road, but this is tornado number 4 or 5. Sorry, this is tornado number 5 that I've seen today. These have been strong tornadoes, David. These are no joke.
Yeah.
We had one that was nearly a mile wide. Actually, it expanded right when I was next to it. I had to back up quickly. But these are no joke. These are powerful tornadoes. Higher echelon tornadoes, absolutely.
Yeah, we hope you're staying safe, by the way. If you need to concentrate on the map, please hang up with us. But if you're able to, Gabe, our storm chaser is live on these tornado-warned storms with confirmed tornadoes down in La Salle County. Tell us how these tornadoes have been different from typical ones. You've seen how many tornadoes, Gabe? These are pretty impressive ones.
Yeah, I've seen well over 100 tornadoes, David, and these, I have to tell you, this is the most significant outbreak I have personally covered.
Wow.
These are rapidly organizing tornadoes. I'm talking within 30 seconds, it goes from a wall cloud to a full wedge on the ground.
Unbelievable. And we're working on getting some visuals from you and your team, so we really appreciate that. Where exactly are you on the map right now? Are you southwest of the tornado?
Right now, I'm on the northern cell by Ransom. And I'm looking to my south now, and there's a developing funnel, potentially tornado on the ground. The storm 2 that I'm pretty much underneath right now, I produced a couple tornadoes. It looks like those have roped out now. Currently no tornado on the ground with those, but definitely the one to the south of Nevada. There appears to be a developing tornado on those now, and that would be the 5th tornado that I've seen today.
So so you're heading toward Dwight. It looks like maybe intercepting that southern storm. Am I understanding that correctly? The one south of the Streeter tornado?
Yes, that's correct.
Okay, great. Well, let me know what you see there. This is important to our viewers as well, because even though this tornado is not in our viewing area, it is moving toward Kankakee County. What we've seen in the meantime, northwest of where Gabe is, indications still of a large, dangerous tornado still likely on the ground. We've lost a little bit of the radar signature, but if we do have it here, it's likely in extreme southeastern portions of La Salle County into southwest Grundy County. Gabe, you've seen what these tornadoes can do firsthand all too often, unfortunately. What are your words of advice for people in the path of this storm?
Take the warning seriously and don't delay in taking cover. These have quick motion to them. Even if a tornado is not on the ground, if a tornado warning is issued, these are developing extremely rapidly, going from wall cloud to violent tornado within seconds.
Gabe Cox live with us from the tornado-warned storms in La Salle and near Grundy counties. Gabe, thanks so much.